a team of true Rivers sons and daughters who represent the Rivers people in the House of Representatives. The leaders of the simplified movement in Okubolo local government, especially our great son, Right Honorable Evans David, who has shown capacity that indeed he is the leader of not only the Oku people and the Okubolo local government, but the leader of the Kirikebesa people. My dear brothers and sisters, first let me say a big thank you to our people. This is truly a movement of the people. But permit me to say one thing. Yes, on weekend, beats our own governor today, Fubara, and Ijaw son to succeed him as governor. At the time we were taking the decision, he thought he could control and do a third term through an Ijaw son. When the Ijaw people made him governor, we did not try to control him. We did not try to use him to siphon the funds of Rivers State. We didn't know that Wike's plan was to use the successor to further steal the funds of Rivers State. But you know that a true Ijaw son will never allow himself to be used. A true Ijaw son will never allow himself to be used. And because Fubara refused to be used, Wike says he wants to impeach him. Let him come. Let him come. He has been lying to the president. He did not tell the president that he stole Rivers State dry. He's been lying to the president. Today, all of us support the president. We support President Ijaw, Bola, Tinubu. All of us support the president. You cannot be stealing in your state and go and lie to the president in Abuja. Mr. President has compensated you enough, giving you a juicy ministry like you want, FCT. Stay there. Stay there and do the work that Mr. President gave to you. Leave Fubara alone. Leave our son alone. Let him run this state. Leave our son alone. You brought him. We are taking him. He's our son. We are taking him. What kind of thing is that? And those members of the State Assembly who are allowing themselves to be used, especially our Ijaw children who are in that State Assembly, who are allowing themselves to be used against the Ijaw interest, we shall ask you questions when the time comes. We shall ask you questions when the time comes. You are not representing yourself. You represent the Ijaw nation. And you think that you are going to fight the Ijaw nation because you made you a member of the State Assembly or a member of the National Assembly. The time shall come. We shall ask you. You cannot use our mandate to steal from us. We give you a mandate, use it to steal what belongs to all of us. And you think that you control assembly. This is the time to retrace your steps. This is the time to retrace your steps. For 24 years, The Ijaw nation has been waiting to have a governor in this state for 24 years. Now we have managed to get, and one man is shooting 24 people, 27 people in the state assembly to destabilize and spoil what Ijaw people have rightly gotten. Holy Ghost! As for the council chairman, who think that they are insulting our son, the governor, or the people say this is very happening. Let me tell you, none of those people will be in those position forever.
Hallelujah.
Even Wike will not be FCT minister forever.
No way.
If he likes, he should go and lie to Mr. President. He will not be there forever. You don't take public office and use it to steal and pretend as though you don't know. It is time for the council chairman who have taken a wrong step to better go and pledge their loyalty to our governor. Because it may soon be late for you. I speak on the authority of the Ijaw nation that this governor, Fubara, has the protection of the entire Ijaw nation in this country. Across board. And let Mr. President know that the Ijaw people support you, Mr. President Bola Tinubu. The Ijaw people support you. You will not follow this FCT minister and get the wrath of the Ijaw nation. We work with you, Mr. President. Allow our son in Rivers State here to do his work and develop our state and our people. Don't allow Wike to keep lying to you. You have seen Wike what he is. Everybody he has worked with, he has abused the person. Everybody has worked with. The day will come, Mr. President, when you don't give Wike what he wants, he will abuse you.
Yes, sir.
He will abuse you too, Mr. President. He will abuse you too. So, those who know. But my happiness is that President Bola Tinubu is an intelligent, smart father of this nation. He knows when Wike is lying to him. He knows. Our people should just be strong. Our people should just be strong. Ogutonye! Ogutonye! Mesikemie! Ogu, yema tomi asikemie anye. Bolonio! Bolonio! Me, waka amuka asikemie anye.